Hi, I'm Joe Bravo, Executive Director of Westchester Independent Living. Westchester Independent Living is a not-for-profit, community-based organization helping people with disabilities become more independent. We're part of a national network of centers that's here to assist people with disabilities in becoming more independent. What we do and what we try to help people with is to find their way within the society that we live in. Independent living for everybody is a little different. So one size does not fit all. What we try to do is assist people to achieve their level of independence. That's really important for people, is how do you make it in this society and what are you going to do with your life? And we're not talking about just working. That's just one aspect of being independent. Part of independence is just what do you want to do with your daily life and most of your day? Are you taking advantage of what the community has to offer? So we work with individuals with disabilities of all ages, with all types of disabilities, in helping them accomplish that. We also assist people with individual services that will help them in ways like benefits assistance, peer counseling, anything and everything that will find and help you find what you need in the society and in our community of Westchester and the Lower Hudson Valley. We also do a lot of community advocacy work to change systems that might really impact upon people with disabilities. Things like transportation is one that's really important for people in our community. Is can you get transportation services? So that's an important aspect of what we do. But we do other things to make the society more accessible, whether it's restaurant access, whether it's access to your doctor's office or to a clinic. These are the things that make up Westchester Independent Living, and it's what I think will assist anybody that comes to us. We will be able to assist them receive the services that they need. And if we can help you, please contact us.